If you're looking to keep your digital assets super secure, then stick around because today, I'm unboxing and reviewing the Trezor Safe 3. Plus, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. Alright, let's dive in. The Trezor Safe 3 is a hardware wallet designed to store your cryptocurrencies offline. This little gadget is a powerhouse when it comes to security, keeping those pesky hackers at bay. First thing you notice is the sleek, modern design. It's compact and portable, so you can easily take it anywhere. But don't be fooled by its size. This device packs a punch. One of the standout features is the touchscreen. Unlike older models that can be a bit clunky, the Safe 3 is incredibly user-friendly. Navigating through the menus is a breeze, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now let's talk compatibility. The Safe 3 supports a wider range of cryptocurrencies than its predecessors. So, whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some obscure altcoin, you're covered. But here's the kicker, it's pricier than other hardware wallets on the market. So, the big question is it worth your money? Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, you've got top-notch security, ease of use, and broad compatibility. On the downside, it's a bit of an investment. If keeping your crypto secure and having the latest features is important to you, then the Trezor Safe 3 is definitely worth it. So, what's the final verdict? I give the Trezor Safe 3 a thumbs up for its advanced security and user-friendly interface. It's a fantastic choice for anyone serious about safeguarding their digital assets. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your discount on the Trezor Safe 3. That's it for today, folks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy investing.